Yeast infections caused by the Candida genus of yeasts can be uncomfortable and disruptive to daily life. Thankfully, there are numerous drugs available to effectively treat these infections. Whether you're experiencing your first yeast infection or dealing with recurring episodes, finding the right medication is crucial for relief. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 drugs commonly used to treat yeast infections. Yeast infections primarily affect the vaginal area in women but can occur in other parts of the body as well. Factors such as antibiotic use, hormonal changes, pregnancy, uncontrolled diabetes, and a weakened immune system can disrupt the natural balance of yeast and bacteria, leading to an overgrowth of yeast. Yeast infections, medically termed vaginal candidiasis, manifest through a variety of uncomfortable symptoms that can significantly disrupt daily life for those affected. One of the most common indicators is persistent vaginal itching, often accompanied by signs of irritation and discomfort in the genital area. Alongside this, inflammation and swelling around the vagina may occur, leading to heightened sensitivity and a feeling of soreness. Particularly during sexual intercourse, individuals may experience pain or discomfort due to the inflammation and sensitivity of the affected tissues. Additionally, the presence of a yeast infection may cause visible signs of redness and a rash in the vaginal area, further exacerbating discomfort. One of the hallmark indicators of a yeast infection is the appearance of vaginal discharge, which typically takes on a white or gray clumpy texture resembling cottage cheese. These symptoms collectively serve as crucial markers for identifying and diagnosing yeast infections, prompting individuals to seek appropriate treatment to alleviate discomfort and restore vaginal health. Number 1. Miconazole. Miconazole is a versatile antifungal medication available in various forms, including creams, ointments, and suppositories. It effectively inhibits the growth of yeast by disrupting their cell membranes, thereby providing relief for common symptoms such as itching, burning, and irritation. By targeting the underlying cause of yeast infections, miconazole helps restore the natural balance of microorganisms in the vagina, promoting healing and comfort. Number 2. Clotrimazole. Clotrimazole, another potent antifungal agent, is widely utilized for the treatment of yeast infections. Like miconazole, it is available in cream, ointment, and suppository formulations, allowing for convenient and effective application. By combating fungal overgrowth in the vagina, clotrimazole alleviates discomfort and restores vaginal health. Its broad spectrum of activity makes it a popular choice for individuals seeking relief for yeast infection symptoms. Number 3. Thiaconazole. Thiaconazole stands out as a potent antifungal medication available as a single-dose ointment or suppository. Its mechanism of action involves disrupting the cell walls of yeast, leading to their destruction and rapid symptom relief. By targeting the root cause of yeast infections, Thiaconazole offers a comprehensive solution for individuals seeking fast and effective relief for itching, burning, and irritation. Number 4. Vetoconazole. Vetoconazole, commonly prescribed in cream form, is highly effective in targeting the yeast responsible for vaginal infections. Its unique formulation allows for targeted application, providing localized relief for itching and discomfort. By directly targeting the underlying cause of yeast infections, vetoconazole helps restore vaginal health and promotes overall well-being. Number 5. Turconazole. Available as a cream or suppository, turconazole is a trusted ally in the fight against vaginal yeast infections. Its mechanism of action involves inhibiting the growth of yeast cells, thereby reducing symptoms such as itching and discharge. By addressing the root cause of the infection, turconazole helps restore vaginal balance and alleviate discomfort, allowing individuals to regain control of their health. We made a book, 10 questions everyone should ask their pharmacist. You can find the link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Number 6. Fluconazole. Fluconazole, an oral antifungal medication, is often recommended for severe or recurrent yeast infections. Its systemic action targets yeast overgrowth throughout the body, providing comprehensive relief from symptoms. By eradicating yeast overgrowth, fluconazole restores vaginal health and promotes long-term wellness, making it a valuable option for individuals seeking lasting relief from yeast infection symptoms. Number 7. Nystatin. Nystatin is a trusted medication for yeast infections caused by non-albicans Candida species. Available as a vaginal cream or tablet, it disrupts the cell membranes of yeast cells, leading to their death and rapid symptom relief. By specifically targeting non-albicans Candida species, Nystatin offers a targeted approach to yeast infection treatment, ensuring effective relief for affected individuals. Number 8. Amphotericin B. Amphotericin B is a potent antifungal medication used to treat severe or systemic yeast infections. Administered intravenously, it binds to fungal cell membranes, disrupting their structure and function. By targeting yeast overgrowth at the systemic level, amphotericin B provides comprehensive relief from symptoms, promoting healing and restoring overall health. Number 9. Flucytosine. Flucytosine is often utilized in combination with other antifungal medications to treat severe yeast infections. Its mechanism of action involves interfering with the synthesis of fungal DNA, ultimately leading to the death of yeast cells. By targeting yeast overgrowth at the molecular level, flucytosine offers a powerful tool in the fight against resistant yeast infections, ensuring effective relief for affected individuals. Number 10. Boric acid suppositories. Boric acid suppositories provide a unique approach to yeast infection treatment, particularly for infections caused by non-albican Candida species. By altering the pH balance in the vagina, they create an environment that is inhospitable to yeast growth, effectively inhibiting their proliferation. This targeted approach ensures rapid symptom relief and promotes long-term vaginal health, making boric acid suppositories a valuable addition to the arsenal of yeast infection treatments.